Have you ever wondered about the various types of cybersecurity jobs available in today's market? In our increasingly digital world, cybersecurity has become a pivotal aspect of our daily lives. It's the shield that protects us from the lurking threats in the vast cyberspace, the warriors who guard our data, privacy, and digital assets. In this vast domain of cybersecurity, a plethora of roles and responsibilities exist, each with its unique skill set and expertise. From cybersecurity analysts who intercept and analyze threats, to ethical hackers who deliberately probe systems for vulnerabilities, to security architects who design robust security systems, and security directors who oversee all aspects of an organization's security. These roles form the backbone of our digital safety, and they will be the focus of our exploration in this video. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The cybersecurity field is as diverse as it is fascinating. Now let's dive deeper into these roles, their responsibilities, and the skills they require. Starting with one of the common roles in the field, meet the cybersecurity analyst. This vital position is all about safeguarding online data from compromise. The analyst's day might involve analyzing security breaches to understand their origin and impact. They then develop strategies to eliminate these vulnerabilities and prevent future incidents. Key skills for this role include strong problem-solving abilities, a deep understanding of various cybersecurity frameworks, and an unending curiosity. Next, we move on to a role that involves a more proactive approach to threats. Ever heard of a hacker who's actually on your side? That's exactly what an ethical hacker does. Picture a knight in shining armor, but in the digital realm. Their primary role is to unearth vulnerabilities in systems, acting as the first line of defense against malicious hackers. They're the ones rigorously testing systems, identifying weak spots, and reporting findings to management. To wield this digital sword, you'll need a strong grasp of programming and an understanding of hacking techniques. From identifying vulnerabilities, we move on to a role that focuses on designing secure systems. Designing a secure system is no easy task. That's where a security architect steps in. A security architect is like the mastermind behind the castle's defenses, tasked with designing, building, and overseeing the implementation of network and computer security for an organization. Their role is integral to the fortification of an organization's cyber walls. They are responsible for creating complex security structures, akin to a labyrinth designed to confuse and deter potential intruders. But designing is just the beginning. Ensuring these structures function as intended, like well-oiled machines warding off attacks, is equally vital. The skills required for this role are as intricate as the structures they design. A deep understanding of networking and security infrastructure is paramount. It's like being a chess player, always thinking several moves ahead, anticipating potential threats, and devising strategies to counter them. Now let's take a look at the role that oversees cybersecurity operations. Spearheading the cybersecurity operations of a company, we have the security director. The security director is like the captain of a ship, overseeing and coordinating the organization's entire cybersecurity plan. It's a role that requires vision, strategic thinking, and a deep understanding of the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape. Their responsibilities are extensive and multifaceted. They manage the cybersecurity team, ensuring that each member is well-equipped to handle their tasks. They are also responsible for developing comprehensive security policies that keep the organization safe from threats. When security incidents occur, they're the ones leading the charge, orchestrating the response to minimize damage and restore normality. The skills required for this role go beyond just a technical understanding of cybersecurity. It demands leadership, strategic planning, and a comprehensive knowledge of cybersecurity regulations. It's a role for those who are ready to take the helm and steer the ship through the stormy waters of cybersecurity threats. These are just a few of the many roles in the vast field of cybersecurity. So, as we've seen, cybersecurity is a diverse and rapidly evolving field. It offers a wide range of roles, each with its unique responsibilities and required skills. Whether it's the analytical prowess needed by a cybersecurity analyst, the creative problem-solving ability of an ethical hacker, the strategic vision of a security architect, or the leadership qualities demanded by a security director, there's a place for everyone in this industry. The increasing reliance on digital systems and a growing number of cyber threats underline the critical importance of cybersecurity. And as technology advances, these roles continue to evolve, demanding continuous learning and adaptation. In this dynamic landscape, one thing remains constant: the need for skilled professionals who can protect our digital world. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there's a cybersecurity job out there that's perfect for you. Remember, the first step to a successful career in cybersecurity is understanding the different roles and finding the one that suits your skills and interests the best.